to Cooking with Finn. Today we're going to be making fudge. You will need spray butter, marshmallow fluff, chocolate chips, vanilla extract, evaporated milk, espresso powder, toffee bits, a stick of butter, and lots and lots and lots and lots of sugar. First, you'll need to put tin foil onto your cooking pan. Then, spray your pan spray on the pan. I accidentally sprayed too much. Oh, don't worry, but I'll use the spatula to evenly spread it out. Add the stick of butter. We're going to need to add 4 cups of sugar. Say when. I told you there's a lot of sugar. It may seem hard to open, but I think with this can opener, we can do it. Add it into your pot. You'll need to use the whole can. We're gonna make coffee toffee fudge, so you need to add 2 teaspoons of espresso powder. I love the smell of espresso early in the morning. Time to put it on the stove. Now we're really on fire. Stir it up real nice. Pour 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips into a measuring cup. I chihuahua, that's a hot oven. Leave the stove on for 10 minutes and continue to stir. Then add the chocolate chips. Time to stir it up again. Fudge was first invented in 1886. Add marshmallow fluff to the pot and mix it in. Pour the batter into the pan. Make sure you get it all in there. Spread it out. Now evenly distribute the Heath bar bits on top. Shh, I only stole a few. Don't tell Santa or put me on his naughty list. Now, pop it into the fridge to cool. Leftovers. You know what that means. Whoa, what happened? This looks more like pudding than fudge, but it still tastes great. It's okay to make mistakes, but we certainly can't serve this. I stirred up some new fudge and put it into a new pan. This has been Cooking with Finn. Keep cooking and stay safe, everyone.
Hey, if you enjoyed Cooking with Finn, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button if you want to be alerted to whenever he live streams or uploads. Thanks so much.